Meaning of Ernest Bevin.
Ernest Bevin.
Ernest Bevin.
Ernest Bevin.
Ernest Bevin. Ernest Bevin was a British trade union leader and politician who lived from 1881 to 1951. He was a prominent figure in the labor movement during the interwar period and later served as Foreign Secretary in the post-World War II Attlee government. Bevin's legacy includes his efforts to improve working conditions for British labourers, his role in shaping the UK's foreign policy during the early Cold War period, and his advocacy for the creation of a Jewish homeland in Palestine.